Okay guys, today we will learn how to install the Prestashop. Prestashop is an CMS to build your online store. In your browser, go to www.prestashop.com and click Create My Store. Download Prestashop. Check these two checkbox and click Download. Save into your hard drive. And when you finish, let's extract the file. And move your folder into your web folder. And in your browser, just type your location of your store with your folder name. For example, just type the localhost / my store. Click the checkbox. It means you agree for the term and condition, and click next. If we find some error, we have to solve it. We have to modify the PHP configuration. Let's open the SAM control panel and open it as administrator. Stop the service. Let's edit the PHP configuration. Find the error. For example, the extension of the PHP. We should open it. Open the text. Save it. Do it the same way to fix some error. Start your web page and check the installation page. Click next. Type your shop name. Please choose the kind of your online store. Choose your country and type your first name, last name, email address. Please remember that your email address will be a username to entering your backend of your shop. And please remember for the password. Click next. And we have to make a database. And we have to make a database. Go to your PHP main admin. For example, we create an first shop DB database. Okay, it's connect. When your installation is finished, it show the email and your password, and there are two links. The first link is how to manage your store, and the second link, it will show what is your front office look like. And here are your store. Let's try for back office link, and when we click this link, it says that we have to delete the installation folder, delete this folder and refresh your page. Enter your email and your password, of course, and then click login. And your store configuration is here. You may upload your logos file, your store's logo, your store's icon, your store name, okay. The installation is finished and your store is going online. For the next step, you have to configure your store to be a perfect online store. Thank you.